So people on TikTok have been asking if you can show corrugated rib and sticking.
Yes, well, I'm just coming to the end of this, so I'm just about to finish off the rib, and this is my mug square, and some people have asked whether they can do the mug square for the knit along in January. It's exactly the same size as the flowers, so of course you can. And Lisa has asked, and this is different size, but Lisa's a very proficient knitter. She's asked whether she can knit along with the bunnies, and the truth is you can knit along with any of my patterns in January. So we're going to start the knit along. We'll have a hashtag that people can use to show off what they're doing, and I'll quickly just show you this, and then later on maybe we'll get on and show people how to do the steeking. Well, it might be tomorrow. So a corrugated rib, it's just 2 plain knit stitches, 2 knit stitches, and then bring the yarn forward so that the contrasting yarns come forward, 2 purl stitches, and then that other yarn goes back, and then we're back on the 2 knit stitches again, the other yarn forward, 2 purl stitches, and yarn back. That's it. Thanks, Joe. End on the house. I'm going to knit that house.